I don't want to waste your time. School start is right around the corner, and you may be like me, feeling the stress of it already. So here are 2 simple steps you can do right away that don't take much time.
Intermission time.
The first thing you can do is start taking a peek at what you'll be learning during the semester. You can watch or read online course summaries, briefly read through a course book, or even just review your old notes or books from last year. And we're not trying to learn it all right away or trying to understand it all. That's what we're going to do later in the year. We are just preparing ourselves by using brain priming to help kickstart the learning process. If that already seems like too much, the next one is sadly much harder. In the book, The Happiness Cure by Swedish author and psychiatrist Dr. Anders Hansen, he mentioned a quote from Henry Ford. "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." And this is what they call the destiny instinct. And the whole point is that if you believe you can and you have your mind into it, you will achieve what you have. You will have a much more likely chance of achieving what you want. And the same goes for if you don't think you can, you'll have a more likely chance of not being able to do this. To gain more confidence in yourself is not easy, but it's very important. You can start by completing a smaller, more achievable task. I usually like cleaning my room or work area to get that small dopamine boost that helps take some of the anxiety away. Or you can think about previous successes, like making it through that stressful test period. If you liked the video, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed.
High five!
Yeah!
And otherwise, you can also think back to previous successes, like making it through a stressful test. Or she lovely. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't want to waste. Dang it. Isn't she lovely? Gotta go find the book. How do you spell believe?
B-E-L.
Isn't she wonderful? Gonna have to redo this all, it doesn't film. It's all you, buddy.